Jatinga, a village on a ridge, is located in Dima Hasao district, Assam, India. It is 210 miles south of the city Guwahati. This place became famous for mysterious mass suicide of birds phenomenon. During nights of late monsoon months, a mysterious behavior of birds takes place in Jatinga. When there is fog, mist or cloud, birds starts to fly towards light sources. Their ultimate fate is death, and that's why it was termed mass suicide of birds. Famous naturalist E.P.G. first documented this phenomenon in 1960. The phenomenon is unusual, but it is not actually a suicide. The birds are killed by villagers. Jatinga bird suicide phenomenon is witnessed in the months of September to November. During moonless and foggy dark nights, flying birds come crashing to the ground or light source with no prior warning whatever. Best timing is between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Common belief is that birds commit suicide in Jatinga, but the reality is something else. Due to unknown circumstances, birds start to get disoriented and seek solace of light source. Those birds fall easy prey to the villagers who attacks them with bamboo poles and catapults. But why birds start to behave abnormally in Jatinga? Renowned ornithologists such as Dr. Salim Ali, Dr. S. Sengupta, and Arov have already carried out researches on this subject. Several interesting facts are revealed by different studies. For example, only 44 species of birds are attracted to the light sources, and all of them are local bird species, not migratory ones. Another interesting fact is that birds are attracted to light on an well-defined 1.5 km long and 200 meters wide strip of area. According to Dr. Sengupta, weather conditions in Jatinga make changes in the magnetic qualities of the underground water in this area and disturbs the physiological rhythm of the local birds. On the other hand, ornithologist Dr. H. Chaudhary blamed high-velocity wind for the unusual behavior of birds. According to him, mostly juveniles and local migrant birds are disturbed by high-velocity winds and fly towards light to take refuge. Even after several scientific studies, abnormal behavior of birds in Jatinga still remains a mystery.